Customizing checkout. Let's talk about the one page every paying customer sees, your checkout page. Here's a mistake many beginners make. They leave it untouched. Default colors, generic text, no branding, and missing legal links. And that creates real problems. Customers feel uncertain or disconnected. Trust drops right when it matters most, and cart abandonment spikes. Sales are lost right at the finish line. But here is the opportunity. A branded, legally sound, and simplified checkout page can build trust and confidence, reinforce your brand identity, increase conversion rates, and deliver a seamless experience from product to payment. And the best part, Shopify makes it easy to customize even as a beginner. Let's make your checkout page work for you and not against you. Follow these next 6 steps to create a polished and professional checkout experience. Start with step 1, that is going to the checkout settings. How do you find it? Let's come here. Inside settings, you will find checkout. And inside checkout, you have different options. Starting from add your brand elements. That's right here. You click on customize. And you add your image, that is the logo. You make sure the checkout header. So let's first see how the default checkout page looks like without making any changes to it. Okay, looks like there is some issue here. Let's go back and reload it. Okay, anyway, by the time it loads, there's some issue with the loading I see over here. So let's continue with this for now, and we'll come back to this later. So you add your brand logo, upload your logo ideally in PNG format with transparency. Set up with the alignment, the position, the background image if any. You take care of the background for the checkout form, the image, the colors, the background colors, all you can update to your branding. The checkout layout, how do you want it? A 1-page layout or a 3-page layout? And you can also select or deselect or address auto completion. Once you're through with these, you can come back to checkout settings and you can update the customer contact method, phone number or email or only email. Show a link for customers to track their orders with Shop, and require customers to log into their account before checkout. So these are the different options. Customer information, how do you want it? Marketing options, display a checkbox for customers to sign up for email or SMS marketing. Regions recommended by Shopify, US only regions you choose. SMS, you want it to be activate or not active. Tipping, customers can choose between 3 presets or enter a custom account. Show tipping options at checkout. Abandoned checkout emails, send an email to customers who did not finish checking out. So you can send abandonment checkout emails automatically. Anyone who abandons their checkout, email subscribers who abandon their checkout, send after 10 hours, 6 hours or 1 hour. And then the post purchase page, use an app to add features at checkout after payment, or however you checkout language. So if you want it in English, you can choose that. The checkout rules, there are no apps installed with rules for checkout or cart. So if you want to add some custom rules, and that's all. So your checkout page is the final step of the buyer's journey. So make sure that you make it count. So we went through all of these steps. A clean, on-brand and legally secure checkout isn't just a nice to have, it's a conversion lever. So your action plan is go to settings, check out and complete your customizations. Use the brand color and logo template available in the resources section. Double check that all legal links are active and visible. And join the community and post a screenshot of your customized checkout. If you need help or feedback, join our next live coaching call where we will walk through it together. That's all for the day.